Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. So this is your destination for getting all your fitness queries answered, to help you get fit, to help you uh, get your fitness regime for 2021 live and kicking, and get over all the lockdown blues, get fit, get healthy. And the best thing about my channel is you don't need any equipments, you don't have to go to the gym. All you need to do is from the comfort of your home you could do all the workouts which I share with you, which I help you to get trained. So in my past few videos, you have seen I have shared some simple workouts for some warm-up exercises, then some workouts, some high intensity workouts for weight loss. And then yesterday I started with some interesting flow workouts that is focused on your abs to help you reduce your belly fat, your tummy fat, and get those six packs. This year, if it's a new year resolution for you to get those six packs, so my channel is your destination to help you get there. So yesterday we saw some simple workouts for your abs, and today I'm going to continue from where we left off yesterday, and I'm going to show you some more interesting and high intensity workouts for your abs. And these again you could do it at your home. So just to quickly give an overview, we are going to do about 6 to 7 workouts today. First would be the crunch, the abs crunch. We are going to do a couple of variations of the abs crunch. One would be with a straight angle, the other in an oblique angle. Then we are going to do bicycle crunch. Then we are going to do a C-sit rotation, and then we are going to do a 180-degree jump, which is a very interesting workout and also very effective. Then we are going to do a plank, and then we are going to do a couple of new exercises. One is called a bridge, where you form a bridge and hold that position, keeping your head straight. And then we are going to do another couple of workouts if time permits. So let's get started first with the abs crunch. So lie down. So keep your hands behind your head and slowly come forward and then go back. So the stress should be on your abs. You should be able to feel the workout effects on your stomach or your abs. Okay? So this is the normal variation. Then we do the oblique crunch. So your right hand towards your left knee and your left hand towards your right knee in an alternate manner. Again, you could do it 15 repetitions, 3 sets each of these workouts. So that's your abs crunch. Next we are going to do a bicycle crunch. So it's similar, but the leg movement will be like you ride a bicycle. and then you could just do the same motion like you do for your normal crunch. So if you do about 15, you could feel a lot of calories burning in your abs. And this is, if you can do it consistently, the bicycle crunch, it might be a little tough initially, but you could do it consistently. Trust me, this will work wonders for reducing your belly fat. Okay? And then we are going to do a bridge. So what I do is kind of move up, form a bridge, just lift my body up from the floor and try to stay in this position as long as I could, maybe from 30 seconds to a minute. And keep looking straight, keep your head straight, just that your body should be elevated, and you kind of form a bridge and hold that position for about a minute. Okay, then you come down. So that's the bridge, and then you do a C-sit rotation. It's simple. You hold your left wrist with your right hand. Okay, you sit, and you kind of sway in a sideways manner. Like you are forming a C, the letter C. So you move clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so that's number 4. And then you do another interesting workout. This is called the 180-degree jump. So what you do is you stand here and you just turn 180 degrees, but you jump. As you take a turn, you do a jump. So this is something very interesting, and it can really work wonders for your abs. So just watch me as I do the 180-degree jump. Okay? Okay? So you could do it slow, and then once you get your rhythm going, once you get the momentum going, once you get your balance right, you could increase it to say maybe 20 repetitions, 3 sets each. So that's the 180-degree jump for you. And then we have 2 more for today. One is called the half curl and the plank. So the half curl is nothing but you lie down, you touch your knees, or just above your knees, the thighs, And you kind of slightly bring your body up, touch, kind of slide your hands over your thighs, and then lie down. Do the same. Do it 15 counts, 3 sets. So as you do it, you could feel the pressure here in your abs region. Okay? So that's your half curl, and then to finish it off, the plank. Plank is again one of the best workouts for your abs. It's tried and tested, and it's very effective for reducing your belly fat. So, my fist should be clenched, and my body should be slightly raised. My head should be down, and I need to hold this position as long as I can. So you can start slow. You could do it for some 20 seconds, then you increase it to 30 seconds, and then maybe about a minute. So that's about today's sessions, today's abs workouts. And before we wrap up, as I always do with all my classes, all my videos, I'll give a quick recap again of all the trainings, all the classes that we saw today. So first we saw the crunches, then the bicycle crunch, then your C-sit rotation, the bridge, then you saw the plank, then we saw the 180-degree jump. So you can take a look as I do a quick recap of all the workouts that we saw today. Number 1, the abs crunch. Then you do the oblique manner. Okay, so that's your crunches. And then you do a bicycle crunch. Okay. Then you do a bridge. Okay. Then you do a half curl and C-set rotation. So this is your half curl. This is your C-set rotation. Holding your fists and swaying sideways. Okay, then your half curl. Okay, then your plank and the 180-degree jump. And the plank is also very good for your, it's a very good for your core body. You know, it's like a complete core body workout. So it not only helps you reduce your abs, but it also helps you strengthen your core muscles. So that's a very simple but highly effective workout. That's the plank. And finally, the 180-degree jump. Okay, so that's about it, guys, friends, for today. As you can see, it's definitely working on me. I'm sweating and I can feel the pressure on my belly, and these are all very high intensity but yet very easy workouts that you could do from your home. And my next couple of videos, please stay tuned for my next couple of videos, because the next one I'm going to do a complete recap of all the classes I have taken so far. I'm going to do a complete recap, and the next video after that I'm going to talk about the diet, the importance of diet, and what changes you can bring to your diet, your food habits, to help you lose weight and stay fit and healthy. So remember, guys and friends, we say that the workout is very important, but the diet is equally important. So as you start your workout, as you build a nice fitness regime and fitness routine, it's also very important that you have a diet plan that complements your workouts and your fitness regime. So that's going to be my focus area for the next 2 sessions, the next 2 videos, a recap of all the workouts, and then I'm going to have a very interesting video about the diet and the importance of the diet in helping you stay fit and lose weight. So hope you liked my video, and if yes, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications whenever I upload any new video. And please feel free to give any suggestions because it's a new channel, and trust me, fitness is a journey. No one can be an expert when it comes to fitness, so it's a continuous learning, a continuous journey. So share your feedback, share your points or whatever. If there are any special workouts that you want me to try, please let me know. So I'm going to go very slow, so because like my channel says, it's all about the basic workouts. Somebody who is a beginner, so they can start from the scratch and build the interest in fitness. So stay tuned, guys, stay tuned, friends, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned to my channel for more interesting videos in the days to come. Till then, it's bye.